Is new construction worth it in 2025? If you're thinking about building a new home in 2025 or buying a residential resale this year, here's what you need to know. When you're out shopping for a home and you walk into a resale home, how many of you walked in the front door and looked around and immediately start thinking about things that you might want to change to make this home fit your lifestyle? Well, in new construction, you don't have to think about that at all. At AB Homes, we start with a pile of dirt, and every stick and brick that we use, it's done for you to your specs. So when you build with us, you don't have to think about things that you could change or would change or might change. We're gonna build it that way right off the jump. Number two, everything is new and covered. So when you buy a brand new home, everything is under warranty. There's no hidden maintenance costs or repair costs, and you really shouldn't have to do a whole lot of out-of-pocket expenditures for several years. Even though a new home may cost a little more money initially, I think that if you compare it what the cost of ownership is for a resale home, it will quickly add up, and I think that you're gonna have probably more money invested in a resale home than you will a new home if you look at the first 5 years of ownership. And new construction really might cost less than you think. People have a tendency to think new construction means very, very high prices, and I'm not gonna say that that's not completely untrue in some cases. However, there are some affordable options in new construction. So with AB Homes, primarily building in Suffolk, the biggest advantage is that the lot cost in Suffolk is a bit less expensive than other areas. Typically, the resale home in Suffolk is going to be in a neighborhood on a smaller lot and probably a few years old. And in Suffolk, you're going to get way more for your money in comparison to places like Chesapeake and Virginia Beach. History proves that prices are always going up. You may have a dip here and there if you look at 100-year history, but historically, I think they're going to continue to go up, which makes buying in Suffolk a great opportunity and a wise investment. Built for 2025, not 1995. When you're building a brand new home, we have to build it to the up-to-date code specs that meet all of the energy efficiency requirements, which means that you're gonna get better insulation, you're gonna get better energy efficient appliances, you're gonna get better windows, better doors. All of the systems in your brand new home are gonna be way more energy efficient than something that was built even 5 or 10 years ago, which is gonna transcend to savings on your utility bills month over month. And the other benefit to building something in 2025 is the open concept. It gives you that peace of mind that the home is well built and it's going to last you for years. Versus on a resale home, you don't know how it's been taken care of, how it's been maintained, and what the construction standards were when that home was built. Number 5, no bidding wars, no guesswork. So with AB Homes, we have always given upfront pricing. So when you're building a brand new custom home with us, you're gonna know what that home is gonna cost you. Coolest thing about it is you're not competing with anybody else for it. So when we meet with you and we show you what lot inventory we have and you pick the home and you pick the lot, we're gonna give you a price. You don't have to worry about that price changing unless you do modifications to change it. And it negates all the stress with having to compete for a home and worry about if this one doesn't work out, when am I gonna find another one, and when am I gonna get to move in, and how am I gonna time selling the other house or moving from here to there. We lay all that out for you with AB Homes. We really try to make this as stress-free as possible. It may seem a little intimidating at first thinking about building a brand new home from scratch, but we make it fun and we hold your hand through the entire process. And number 6, it might not be for everyone, but it might just be right for you. So if you need a home in 30 to 45 days, resale might be the best option for you. However, if you have 5 to 7 months and you want to get it right the first time, AB Homes might be the one for you. We would love the chance to talk to you about new construction in Suffolk and other areas that we build in. And if you'd like to reach us directly, you can call me on my cell at 757-435-9900. Find us on the web at abhomesva.com. If you like this content, would like to hear more or learn more or just kind of be updated as to what's going on in the AB Homes world, please click the link below, subscribe, like. We would love the opportunity to talk to you about building your dreams into your new AB home this year. Give us a call.